everybody, my name is Brittany Tibbetts and I am a registered dental hygienist here in Phoenix, Arizona. Practicing and sharing information about oral hygiene is a passion of mine, and I not only work in private practice, but I'm also a public health hygienist with Maricopa County. We provide free dental screenings and fluoride treatment to kids and expectant mothers. So that's just a little bit about me and my working background. But I've partnered with Delta Dental of Arizona for this Facebook Live series because we know that a lot of you are probably working from home and are just looking for ways to keep up on top of their overall health, not just oral health. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm also here to answer any follow-up questions you guys might have. So be sure to leave a comment below and we'll try to get back to you and answer any questions you have. But just know that I don't have access to your particular Delta Dental plan or benefits coverage, so I won't be able to answer any specifics about that. But you can call our customer service team at 1-800-352-6132 for any questions you have about your particular plan. But the first topic we're going to cover today is oral health tips for people working from home. I know a lot of people are probably trying to practice safe social distancing and are trying to work from home as much as possible, which is great. But it's also a really good opportunity for you guys to kind of really hone in and tweak some of your oral hygiene care that you're doing right now. So it's also a great time to kind of get yourself organized too and start planning and thinking about when you can resume regular dental visits and checkups, as well as medical visits too. So let's kind of get started. The first tip that I have for you guys is just to really take the time to brush between meals. I know a lot of times when we're at work or away from home, we don't have access to do that. And so now is a really good time to brush between meals. So that means after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner before you go to bed at night. And you also want to start flossing daily too if you're not already doing that or incorporating that into your daily routine. The next tip that I have, and this one is really hard. I know a lot of people at home, it's really tempting to head to the pantry and just kind of graze and snack all day, but just know that it's not healthy for your teeth. If you can, try to avoid sugary beverages like sodas, juice, things like that that have a lot of sugars in them. And also you want to avoid carb-heavy snacks like chips and cookies and crackers, things like that. That sugar is just feeding that cavity-causing bacteria in your mouth and makes you more prone to dental decay. So swap out those chips and choose healthier options like fruit and nuts and cheese, things like that. And same thing with your drinks. Maybe grab a bottle of water instead of reaching for that can of soda. The third tip that I have for you is just to remind you that dental offices are not open for elective treatments right now. So they're only seeing patients for dental emergencies. So we just want to kind of help you identify what a dental emergency means and what it might look like. So we pulled some information from the American Dental Association, and here's what they outline as a dental emergency. So the first one would be uncontrolled bleeding from the mouth. Obviously, that is a sign that there is something going on and needs to get looked at right away. If you notice an infection or an abscess causing pain or swelling, that is definitely something that you don't want to wait on. You want to get to the dentist right away. A tooth fracture, broken tooth that could be causing pain, trauma that knocks out a tooth, either primary or permanent tooth. Defective restoration work, so crowns, fillings, bridges, implants, things like that. If something just doesn't feel right with those, you want to get to a dentist and have them take a look at it. And finally, denture adjustments or repairs if function is impeded. So loose dentures, bridges, things like that. If you're not able to chew, speak, or just function properly, then you want to have that kind of stuff looked at as well. If you have any of these symptoms of a dental emergency, call your dentist right away. They'll let you know what the next steps are, how to get you scheduled, and what to do from there. The fourth tip we have for you is if you do experience a dental emergency during the COVID-19 pandemic, your dentist may want to perform an exam via video chat. So Delta Dental members who receive teledentistry services from a licensed network dentist during this pandemic will be covered the same way that they're covered with an in-person exam. So just know that a lot of people do have that benefit included into their dental package. We encourage you to log into the member connection at www.deltadentalaz.com/member to find your specific plan details. You can also call our customer service team. Again, that number is 1-800-352-6132. And the fifth and final tip that we have for you is we recognize that during this crisis there will be a considerable need for care that was postponed. So those elective treatments that are getting pushed off, it's going to be up to you guys to kind of make time to prioritize and schedule that once this pandemic is over with. So review your calendar, maybe set reminders for yourself. The way I like to do it is just to set a reminder in my cell phone, just to remind me that I need to get this taken care of. Also, when you are at the dentist, go ahead and allow them to schedule that 6-month or whatever your recare schedule is. Allow them to schedule that appointment in advance. That way you have time to plan around that and make sure that those appointments get taken care of. Your overall health is directly related to your oral health, so it's really important not to miss dental checkups, cleanings, things like that. Dentists are trained and specialized to recognize over 120 diseases that show up with symptoms in the mouth. So it's really, really important to resume those cleanings and checkups as soon as you can. We will be coming to you guys again live next Wednesday at noon. This is an 8-part series, so we're going to be sharing all kinds of information with you guys, just helpful tips and information that you would find handy at this time. Next week, we're going to be talking about seniors and older adults and how to care for them. So for more information, check out the Delta Dental of Arizona blog at www.deltadentalazblog.com, and happy brushing. Thanks for tuning in.